My name is Daniel Gabajiwala. I'm 16 years old, and today I'm going to talk about nuclear fusion reactor. My topic is smart energy and power management, and our team name is CURIOS Isotopes. This is my nuclear fusion model. These are the compression units. This is the reactor. This is the water pump. This is the generator. This is the house supply, and this is the controller. I'm going to show how my model works. So as you can see, the compression unit slowly compress the hydrogen nuclei to form helium, and this helium produces a lot of energy. As you can see, gradually the reactor will turn red. The water pump sends the cold water into the reactor, which heats it up, turning the water into steam. As a result, turning the generator, and the generator produces the electricity, which is just then sent into the household. And you can see the pressure reading over here and how it's increasing. Now we are going to use a program we created on PictoBlocks to tackle two problems: the harness of clean energy and fault detection in power systems.